Hi, everybody. Welcome. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at duck, rabbit. Duck, rabbit. Duck, rabbit. Hey, look, a duck. That's not a duck. That's a rabbit. Are you kidding me? It's totally a duck. It's for sure a rabbit. See, there's its bill. What are you talking about? Those are ears, silly. It's a duck, and he's about to eat a piece of bread. It's a rabbit, and he's about to eat a carrot. Wait, listen, did you hear that? I heard duck sounds. That's funny. I distinctly heard rabbit sounds. Quack, sniff, sniff. Now the duck is wading through the swamp. No, the rabbit is hiding in the grass. There, see? It's flying. Flying? It's hopping. No, the rabbit is so hot he's cooling off his ears. Look, the duck is so hot he's getting a drink. Here, look at the rabbit through my binoculars. Sorry, still a rabbit. Here, ducky ducky. Here, you cute little rabbit. Oh, great, you scared him away. I didn't scare him away, you scared him away. Maybe we were right. Maybe it was a rabbit. Thing is, now I'm actually thinking it was a duck. Well, anyway, now what do you want to do? I don't know. What do you want to do? Hey, look, an anteater. That's no anteater. That's a brachiosaurus. Oh boy, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this book, Duck Rabbit.